Okay, so pretty much, yes, we have seen situations where the bar, particularly the bench, will be called into question in terms of justice delivery. There are so many situations these days where you see conflicting decisions. We are all living witnesses to what is happening in Kano and the allegation that one of the justices that gave an order did it while he was outside of the country. And that is very, very alarming, and if you want to put it in proper, scandalous, because I do not find any justification in any of the statutes for if that position is correct. And then you also have conflicting judgments, forum shopping judgments. We hear about even if you're still talking about Kano, the matter of the Federal High Court, descending into the arena of this, what looks like a matter for the State High Court. And all those issues are very, very disturbing. That is not to say you do not have justices and judges who remain upright and who have stood, in the gap and made their position very, very clear on matters like this. But for me, the process of appointing justices and judges is a key critical issue now. The present procedure is very, very dangerous and alarming. And the politicians have now found out that the judges can also count in the election process, and they will do everything within their powers to get their people into the bench. It's not like it used to be where judges were, headhunted and then based on their reputation and all that and put to sit on the bar. Justices like Ayo, Irikefe, Justice Esho, Okuta, Justice William Elias. But these days, if you look at the present situation, this present there are allegations that some of the people that are being appointed have very close relationship with presiding justices and judges in states and at the federal level, and these are the issues that raises concern. So the process of appointing justices and judges in the present dispensation has to be critically evaluated if we are going to, at least get away from the position we presently find ourselves.
What kind of reforms or what sort of reforms are you advocating?
Now, the manner, the Federal Judicial Service Commission and the National Judicial Service Commission grants too much powers to the presiding justices, either be at the federal level or at the state level. A situation where such powers are given to only one person is open to abuse. And so when you have the power to appoint so many people in a commission who will also sit on the panel where these judges or justices are interviewed, they will probably dance to your tune because you are the one that appointed them. So that is a critical issue that we have. The manner of concern of the Federal Judicial Service Commission in particular is something that we need to look into.
One final question. Nigerians are embarking on a protest march coming for August 1st. Are there any plans by the NBA, Ikeja branch, to provide protect the rights of citizens who are coming out for the peaceful protest?
If you say it's a peaceful protest, by our nature as the conscience of the nation, we don't need any invitation to rise to defend people who are embarking on a peaceful protest. But the protest that you are talking about, the NBA was not consulted. We do not know the people that are planning to. We do not know where they want to do the protest. We do not know the manner of the protest. And there are also all sorts of dangerous cliches that has been peddled, at least on the social media, concerning this protest. And if we are not consulted and our opinion is not sought, if the protest does not turn out to be peaceful, then you are talking about a different situation entirely. The kind of protest where they went to burn the Circle Mall at Lekki cannot by any means be a peaceful protest. The protest whereby the courts we are yet to recover from that carnage that happened 4 years ago, almost 4 years ago, is not a peaceful protest. Legitimate businessmen who had their shops burned on Bode Thomas cannot by any means be classified as a peaceful protest. But where we are very, very clear on the manner of protest, and then because the right to protest is actually enshrined in the Constitution and is a peaceful protest, and anybody tries to deny or deprive or punish people for embarking on such a peaceful protest to express their views, probably about the harsh economic situation, of course the NBA will rise to the occasion and defend such people. We don't need any further invitation in that regard. This is what we have always done, particularly NBA Keja branch. Thank you very much.